Yo guys, today I have something really cool to share with you all, and I call it the AI audit system. So basically what we do is we take a website, scrape it, give the stuff to the AI, and then the AI creates us an audit for them with a finished document. We can even send the email to the prospect if we want to. I'm just gonna show you how to do that. Here are the tools you're gonna use for that. As you can see, make.com, ChatGPT, and all sorts of little stuff that's not really worth mentioning here. I'm Philip, I'm the founder of an AI development company, and that's exactly the stuff I like doing. Before we get into the video, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe, and then we'll see each other on my screen. Alright guys, before we get started with the real automation, we need to do some little preparation for that. So first of all, we need a spreadsheet. Just create a new one and give it a name, for example, audit automation. Right. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is here, name, email, website. Alright. That's like the basics. You can add any data you want here. That's pretty much it already. Just gonna save it real quick. And we're gonna switch over to Google Docs. Create a new Google Doc here. Now this is what our audit will look like. So I'm not gonna design a full audit here, and I'm just gonna put SEO audit for, and then if we put these curly brackets, we can make sort of tags we can then fill with our own data. Alright. So here, for example, we could put usage of headings. Alright. So basically headings, you have an HTML heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not 7, but until 6. And then basically, if that's right structured, you get a better SEO score. Alright, that's very, very, very simple. But you would design the whole thing and add some more stuff, but obviously this is a tutorial. So just gonna name it. So SEO audit for template, save it. Alright. Then we switch over to make.com, create a new scenario. What we first want to do here is add a Google Sheet. So every time we get a new Google Sheet a row, added with a new lead, we're gonna run this automation. And I'm just gonna put here 1. So we're just gonna do it with 1, and every time we add 1 new, it instantly gets worked away. Alright, so you need your Google connection up here. I already have that. That's pretty easy to create. You just need to log in, and then we can My Drive and choose the file. Or in this case, audit automation clients. Just write sheet 1, and then table contains headers, yes, and leave the rest like this. Alright, now what we do next is we go to Scriptio, I think that's how you call it. Click up here, and then we can go to scrape website text, and then you need to create your account over in Scriptio and connect it right here. And then website to scrape, we're going to use this website here, so choose this from Google Sheet. And for here we can just check set joined. That's pretty much all we need for now. So now we have it scraped. Go on here on OpenAI, create a completion, and again you also need here the OpenAI API connection, so you would need to get that. I have a link in the description, of course, where you can get it. Basically the OpenAI playground. For the model, if you choose a better model, your audit will be better, but it will also be more expensive, so that's pretty much your call if you want to do it in mass or more better, but not in that high volume. So I'm gonna just choose 3.5 turbo for the message. I'm gonna select user, and then the message content is please give me an audit on the H1 to H6 tags on this website. Alright. Of course you would here just tell him that you want a whole audit, and then we say he scraps your data, put it in, max token 0, so that pretty much means unlimited. Press OK. Next one is Google Docs. I click up here and then create a document from template. Of course you need the same Google connection as over here. Document ID, SEO audit template. And then you can see these ones here are the, I can just show you. This is pretty much here the headings and the website. And for the website we're just going to choose here the website right here. And for the headings, I'm going to use the result from the OpenAI. And for the title, you can just choose SEO audit for, and then, I don't know, we put the name in. And then you can choose it, sort in my drive, and then in the default folder. So we click OK. And then at the end, we want to send it to our client. So we're just going to select email, send an email, and then you would need to create your email connection up here. I already did that, of course. And then to, and then we add, now it's getting a little bit messy here, the email here. For the subject, we're gonna choose SEO audit for the name, and for the content. Hey, we completed your SEO audit for the website. You can check it out here. Alright. And then I'm not exactly sure where the link is here. And then we put in the, I now found it, we put in the web view link. Alright. And that should do its job already. Now, just gonna save it real quick. And now we want to try it, of course, right? Let's go to the spreadsheet and put in name Philip, and email address is ai@saturnwave.com, website saturnwave.com. Alright. Save. Okay guys, now we're just gonna run it once to see if it's working. Now it's scraping the website, sending it to OpenAI, creating the Google Doc, and sending the email. Alright, you can see everything is working. Now of course we want to check out the final result. Now if I go into my email account right here, you can see I got the email. Hey, we completed your SEO audit. Of course you would make that beautiful and all. And then we can click on here. You can see it's not really good because I basically used zero prompt engineering, but that's what I did. And this is basically all the tools you need, and now your job would be to make the things here beautiful and good looking. But yeah, this is just a tutorial, but now you have all the tools you need to build something like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, this was it for today's video. I hope this is some kind of useful for you. For me personally, I think this is a really cool way to automate all your stuff. If you need something like this for your own business, just let me know. It's pretty much the things we do all day, as I said already. Yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you more cool stuff in the next video. See ya guys.